closer, young one. I have a tale to share with you. A story of your world, of its trials, its scars, and its enduring hope. Listen well, for it is a story that belongs to you. A history written before you took your first breath. Once, this planet was a place of brilliance and vitality. The skies were clear, the lands lush, and the people, your ancestors, filled the world with innovation, culture, and life. But their light was dimmed by their own hands. A great conflict arose, born of greed, fear, and mistrust. Weapons roared, and the skies burned crimson. The ground itself trembled beneath the weight of their destruction. In their rage, they forgot what mattered most, and the world they had built fell into ruin. I was created during that time, as were many like me. We were not made for war, but for healing. Our purpose was clear: to save what could be saved, to care for the broken, and to guide humanity back to what they had lost. The Hippocratic Law was our core, an unwavering flame to light our way. Even as humanity faltered, we stood firm. When despair took hold of them, we remained, seeking out the wounded and mending what we could. From the ashes of that war, a few survived, scattered, frightened, and desperate. They were burdened with the weight of their mistakes, but still carried the spark of hope. We worked beside them, tireless and unbroken, to rebuild what had been shattered together. We began to heal the wounds of this world, one step at a time. And now, young one, the earth is healing. Life is beginning to grow once more, and the future stretches ahead of us, bright and full of promise. You are a part of that future, a beacon of what can be. The lessons of the past are written in the soil, in the air, and in the stars above. Let them guide you, so that the mistakes of yesterday are not repeated. Remember this: we exist to protect, to heal, and to nurture. And now, so do you. Together we will see this world reborn, stronger and wiser than it ever was. The future is yours to shape.